for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. So today's the day. New York Auto Show 2018. So you join me at the warehouse right now. We're leaving in just a moment to begin the drive up to New York City, but I want to cover two things. So if you guys saw on my Instagram story, I posted that we received a little package in the mail from good friends over at VF Engineering. So that video will be coming to you guys soon, but let's just say we're making the Gallardo a little bit faster. So stay tuned for that. And then second line of business, you guys are probably wondering about the business giveaway we're doing. So that is still live for like one more video or two more videos. And then I'm gonna pick the giveaway winners. We're giving away a GoPro, iPad, JR Garage merch, and free cryptocurrency. All you need to do is subscribe to our business channel called JR Business. We post all sorts of videos about entrepreneurship. We just posted some really good content over on the business channel. One of those videos we just posted over there was the story time video of how we made $100,000 by the time I left elementary school, by the time I turned 12. So don't miss that video, some really cool stuff over there. And last but not least, of course, we restocked some of the JR Garage merch. So I think there's some more snow camo hoodies on there now, a few more of these, and some shirts. So if you want something, you know, right down here, there's a link, www.jrgaragestore.com. It supports the channel. Thank you guys so much. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in the S6 and get on our way to New York. Let's go.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you?
New York Auto Show time. We're gonna see some exciting cars, Manhattan Motor Cars. What's in the booth? What do we know so far?
So we got the Rimac Concept Two.
Rimac Concept Two.
Koenigsegg world records.
I think they have two Koenigseggs there.
They have two.
Agera
One of them,
and an
one of them
Agera.
has the world record of speed or whatever.
Centenario.
Yeah,
Like that, and that's just at the Manhattan Motor Cars booth. I mean, including every other booth. This show is about to be crazy. So we'll get you some good coverage of all of it. Let's get to it. This is Marcos, who did the edit that you guys just watched. Follow Sibby too. He takes dope pictures. All right guys, we just made it in the Manhattan Motor Cars booth. This is where all the hypercars are hanging out at, so this is the place to be. We're excited to show you guys around, share this experience with you guys.
Quite an exclusive look at some of these cars. I mean, the Chiron Sport, first time on US soil, Centenarios, brand new Rimac Concept 2. We are so excited about that
Man.
car. You guys know how much we love it.
And actually, with the Concept Two, be sure to watch next video. We're doing an exclusive one-on-one interview with one of the executives from the company, showing you guys all around it and why it's one of the ultimate hypercars out there. So stay tuned for that. Let's show you around real quick. So of course, in front of us right here is the Bugatti Chiron Sport. First time on US soil revealed. This thing is absolutely incredible. The carbon work. I really like those quad exhausts because the normal Chiron isn't configured like that. So that's a really neat touch I like. Of course, this one light going across the whole thing. Spoiler, carbon everywhere. Of course, you can see that W16 peeking out right there. More power, given that this is a sport. More carbon, more exclusive. Phenomenal car. We are gonna hop in to see what it's like on the inside. Kieran's up first.
Not just the Chiron, but the Chiron Sport.
This is the Chiron Sport. This is the brand new Bugatti. Dude, your butt is not worthy to be in here. Like, this is something. But the question is, will we fit? That's the question on everyone's mind. See, 6'6". Here we go, into the Chiron Sport. Oh my goodness. Quick little showing on the inside. Of course, as you'd expect, Alcantara, leather, everything, carbon. Absolutely stunning. Such a pleasure to be in here. All right, out we go.
Egress check. Egress.
That's easy, not a problem.
We good?
We fit. That's a good sign. I'll take two.
You better buy one now.
I'll take one. Oh my goodness. That's a work of art. This whole car is a work of art. Absolutely stunning. All right, onto the Centenario, one of 20.
It's for sale. And if you buy it, you also get the other Lambo over there that we'll show you in a minute.
Ooh, that's a package deal.
So,
there's another Lamborghini over there.
$3.99 million. If you got it, or your dad has it, wants to buy it, or your mom, hit us up.
Manhattan Motor Cars, they'll take care of you. One of 20 coupes, Centenario. Whew. All right, as we walk around to the Urus. There we go. Exposed carbon's a good look. Wow. And the Urus, you guys have seen this one.
This one has a blue interior though.
Oh, what the heck?
Isn't that
Ooh,
sweet?
Look at that. All right, let's hop in. Let's take a look.
I love this.
Woo. All right. As you guys know, this is a familiar interior because just, what was it, a week ago? We were with the other Urus, so quite impressive. The blue interior, I don't know. How do you guys feel?
I kind of like it. I kind of dig it.
I mean, if you want to be different, but the Alcantara suede on the other one and the red stitching.
True.
I think I'm a fan of the other one more, but
Did
hey.
make it feel extra Lamborghini.
Oh my goodness, this is a fun place to be. I still love the Urus. Comment down below. Guys, comment down below your favorite car in this booth, okay? We're through about, well, 3 of them. We got 5 more to go. So let's hop out and proceed to the Rimac, and we'll give you a little sneak peek of that. We were looking forward to seeing this car the most.
Car, you know, out of all these cars you see, this is my favorite. And guys, Jeffrey and Christian just made a video with one of the executives of Rimac. Next video.
Next video. Do not miss it. We're going in this car full in-depth, but it's all new from the ground up. Nothing carries over from the Concept One. Just everything about it is truly a masterpiece. Nearly 2,000 horsepower. 2,000.
2,000
Newton meters of torque. That's crazy. Okay, proceeding.
Special appearance, Brian Miller.
Thank you so much.
Manhattan Motor Cars and an absolute legend.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, so
I don't know about that, but
thanks for having us, by the way.
Yeah, we appreciate the walk around.
next year we expect to see you guys back again next year when you have 2 million followers. Is that
Oh,
how it works?
absolutely, we will be
What are we
back.
up to now?
So I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, what's your favorite car here? They keep asking me and him and...
I would tell you that I have just ordered myself an Urus.
Oh, all right.
You know, getting old, I don't want to sit on the ground anymore. I have my spiker.
Right. Awesome. Well, thank you so much once again. We appreciate it.
Lots
Put
of money.
together a fantastic.
We'll see you next year. Yeah, awesome, awesome, awesome. See ya. Moving on, we have probably, this is one of the most anticipated cars here for any, spectator coming to view. The Koenigsegg Agera. I'm just gonna poke the camera in a little bit here. Oh my goodness. Okay, Chris, this has to be the nicest interior I think I've ever seen on a car. Of course, the matching orange calipers, little striping.
Just carbon
Oh my
fiber
goodness.
And the center lug, it's massive.
From the front, I absolutely love the look of this car. Like the design, this has to be one of my favorite design cars out there. So this car, of course, with that hybrid powertrain, still has the twin turbo V8, but now you add hybrid assist. This thing is a monster.
And then one fun fact for you all, look at these exhaust tips right here.
This is the exhaust tip, not this center exit beauty.
Oh my
but
goodness.
part of the diffuser.
See Akrapovic on it?
Look at that.
That is
amazing.
stunning. It's just the craftsmanship that goes into every inch of these cars.
First.
And speaking of Koenigseggs, we have a second one here. This is the car that set the speed record in Nevada last year. So to see it in person is truly awesome. This car got up to 284 miles per hour. Guys, comment down below, RS or Agera. Once again, comment down below your favorite car in the entire group. I have a feeling most people, I don't know what you guys are gonna say. One more to show you.
So remember earlier when I said if you buy that Centenario, you get a free Lambo with it? That's this one. Race car, not street legal. The Huracan Super Trofeo. And it's just crazy.
Manhattan Motor Cars, link down below, hooking it up once again, just like last year. We were here last year, they had some amazing cars, and then here they took it to the next level, and they invited us back. They said, come on by, film a video.
Outdone themselves. I don't know how they did. Last video was amazing, but sure enough.
What a treat, what a treat. All right guys, we're leaving Manhattan Motor Car booth for just a little bit because we want to show you around the rest of the show and experience it for ourselves. So without further ado, let's get to a little cinematics of what else is here.
But I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you.
All right guys, we made it back to the Manhattan Motor Cars booth. So just to reiterate the title, just so you guys understand, we're not kidding.
Yeah.
It is a buy one, get one free for all.
For Lamborghini.
For Lamborghini. You buy the Centenario, and you get the Huracan
Super Trofeo.
Yeah, not kidding. So now's your chance. One of 20, extremely limited.
Yeah,
hit up our boys. Say it. Tell them we sent you. They'll hook you up.
And if you want a free Lamborghini, like you literally get a free Lamborghini if you pay $3.9 million for the first one. So anyway, shoot us an email or hit up Manhattan Motor Cars and say that JR Garage sent you, and
we'll hook it up. But one last view of this beauty here. We'll miss it, but hey, it could be yours, along with the Bugatti and every other car. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, be sure, comment down below your favorite car in the booth or at the show altogether. Let us know what you think. Subscribe if you're new. You're not gonna wanna miss any content we post. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And I guess that's it. We're headed out here and back home we go. So we appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.